Hello and welcome to Cake. It's chilly and dark in Germany, and on days like this, all I want when I come home from work is a warm meal that's very easy to prepare. That's how my vegan pumpkin soup came about. For this recipe, I'm using a mid-sized pumpkin, a couple mushrooms, 3 to 4 carrots, 1 zucchini, and 2 white onions. I begin by chopping the pumpkin into smaller pieces, and that works like magic in my kitchen. Then I remove the seeds with a spoon and distribute the pumpkin pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. The carrots I cut in half just so that they bake faster, and the zucchini I cut in just smaller portions as well, and the onion in half. The mushrooms I'm going to keep as is. All of these vegetables are going to be lined next to the pumpkin and then covered with a little bit of aluminum foil just so they don't burn when they're in the oven. Then this is going to go into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, 50. Then they're going to be hot, sizzling, and McSteamy. I'm almost done with my soup. All I'm going to do now is add the vegetables to a stand mixer, including the flesh of the pumpkins, which is really easy to remove with a spoon at this point. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water to this. Ideally you can add 3 to 4 cups, but my stand mixer can't hold that much volume. I'm going to puree this whole thing until it's smooth to my liking. And add at this point a little bit more water. Warm it up briefly, and enjoy my evening meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.